Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not responding on the application of Messenger. You will go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Messenger. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.